Guys, as you know that the first Android P developer preview is launched for Google Pixel devices. This time Google is dropping support for 3 smartphones and tablets that the Nexus 5X, Nexus 6P and Pixel C won't get official Android P support. Now, the point is that if you are a Pixel device user, then you do not have to worry because you can test the Android P update on your Pixel device right now. But what's about the other phones? So if you want to know about other phones, then stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Hey guys, I'm your host RK and you are watching this Prime. Guys, you can get Android P update at the earliest, just the help of Google Travel Project. Guys, I think you heard the name of the Google Travel Project. If not, then please check out my another video. What is Google Travel Project? I don't want to talk more about Google Travel Project. In a simple word, with the help of Google Travel Project, you can get Android P update very fast. You will not need to wait much. In 2018, mostly all Android devices, especially in Android Oreo 8.1 support Google Travel Project. Today, mostly all custom ROM support Google Travel Project, especially Lineage OS 15.1. So first of all, check on XDA developer site. Is any Google Travel Project based custom ROM is made for your Android device? For example, Unofficial Lineage OS 15.1 for Redmi Note 4 is support Google Travel Project. Whenever a new custom ROM arrives on the Google Travel Project, for any Android device, I also use this ROM on my Redmi Note 4 because my Redmi Note 4 supports Travel Project. And friend, does your phone support Google Travel Project or not? If you want to know, then please check out XD developer this article. Links are mentioned in the description box. And guys, this is the first developer preview of Android P. So maybe Project Travel make more time. And in the coming days, we can see more custom ROM that support the Google Travel Project. So just wait and watch what happens next. So that's about the video guys, and I hope you really enjoy this video. If you did enjoy this video, please show your support by subscribing to the channel. That's what really helps me out. Without being said, my name is Raj and I will see you in the next one.